Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about prediction in machine learning, second unit of machine learning, prediction. Okay, what is a prediction means? Prediction is nothing but a large amount of sensor data having interpreted to acquire knowledge about the task. Nothing but these is huge sensor are being used to collect the data from various resources. That is the thing that is given as the environment. Okay, those data are being used for calculations and predict the future in what will be happen to the next. For example, we were selling in a shop. If you are selling a vegetable, sorry, if you are selling a milk, what is the products that will be sold with the milk? For example, you can keep a bread with the milk, or you can keep a tea or a coffee powder near the milk, so that the persons who are buying the milk, they can buy the coffee powder or tea powder or bread. So these are some of the things. Like these, the predictions will be made. What are the persons that are being kept together to make the things? The persons who will be buy. This is just like an experience. How these are being done. That is the thing we are going to study. In data mining attempts to extract the pattern from available data. From the data mining, that is, data mining is nothing but large amount of data that are being stored. Okay, these can be collected into from three different patterns, that is associative pattern, classification, and then temporal pattern. So we are going to see how these associative pattern, classification, and temporal patterns are working. Now, what is a data that attribute occur together, that is called as associative? Nothing but the things which are being done together. For example, what I have told you, if you buy a milk, then you will buy a bread, like that. Both the things. Next one is called classification. That is by join. Now we will see that with the help of the example, you can understand. Now, yes, this is an example. Now, please see. This is an example of a Bob, that is associative. Bob in the living room, he likes to watch a TV and eat popcorn with the light turned off. Okay, so he will do all the things at the same time. Okay, not at different time. He will watch a TV. While watching the TV itself, he will eat popcorn. Then he will make the light to turn off. He will sit in the darkness and he will like to watch the TV. At that same time, he like to eat the popcorn. Okay, while seeing the TV. So all the things are happening at the same time. This type of activities are called as associative pattern. Next one is called as classification. In this classification, what is the example? Please see this one. Action movie fans like to watch Terminator. They drink beer and have pizza. Okay, they action movie fans like to watch Terminator. They will drink beer and they have a pizza. That is the three things they had given. So in these three things, the persons may eat or may not eat pizza, or they may drink or they may not drink. Okay, these are the things, but this is a classification. In this classification, all the things will not be compulsory. These are types of things are called classification. Next one is called sequential pattern. Sequential pattern means the things will be done in an orderly ways, not at the same time. They will be done one after the another. After coming out of the bedroom in the morning, Bob turns off the bedroom light. Then he goes to the kitchen where he comes, makes coffee and leaves the house. Okay, so this is the thing that Bob has doing orderly. For example, he is get up in the morning, then he then he will switch off the bedroom light, then he goes to the kitchen, then he make a coffee in the kitchen, then he leaves from the house to the work or somewhere. So these are being done orderly, step by step. So this is called as sequential pattern. So the prediction will be done from these patterns with the help of two things, that is deterministic prediction and probabilistic sequential models. First one, if he, for example, if a Bob leaves from the bedroom at 7 a.m. and he goes to working day, then he will make a coffee in the kitchen. If he does not get up at the 7 a.m., then he will not make a coffee in the kitchen. So if he does that one, then he will do this one. Okay, like these things are comparing. So these things are called as if he get up early, he will make a coffee. For example, we will say, if I get up early in the morning, then I will have a breakfast. If you are not getting up early in the morning, then you will not have a breakfast, then you will rush to the classroom. So this type of predictions are called as deterministic predictions. Next one is called a probabilistic sequence model. It is nothing but percentage, how many percentage it will be. For example, nowadays we are saying the climate, 80% it will be like get raining, 50% it will get raining. So these type of sequence models, like that only here also Bob tells the TV in the evening he will 80% go to the kitchen to make a popcorn. He will not make popcorn every time. 80% only he will make a popcorn, like that. Okay, so this is the things. Next one is called objective of prediction in intelligent environment. This is done by anticipate, inhibit action, detect unusual occurrence. Next one is predict the right causes of action. Fourth one is provide information for decision making. And automate a recursive task and eliminate necessary steps. These things we will see one by one. Okay, right. What to predict? So, if you want to predict something, this can be done by the three different things where we are doing. What is the work we are doing? And what is the action we are doing? That is location, actions. Sometimes task will be replaced by goals. Next one is behavior of the environment. If you are studying about the environment, not about an India picture, if you are studying about an environment, then device behavior, that is how it is heat, or whether it is a chilled one like that, or it is a windy or a sunny like that. Next one is interactions, how they are being connected with each other. So some of the example of location prediction, where will Bob go next? Okay, so where will Bob go next? We don't know. He may go to office, or he may go to park, or he may go to temple, or he may go to his relative house. So where will he go next? Here it is classified as location is t plus 1. Already location it will be t. Now location t plus 1, because we are going to add a new location. So it is t plus 1. This is equal to f of x. That is inputs data is x. Inputted data is x. That is newly given data. Okay, location t. Already I have told you the location what we have in current position will be t. If you are going for the next position, that is t plus 1. If you go for the last position, that will be t minus 1. That is time, date, day, the week. So by using these can be calculated. Input data can be calculated, and also these are can be also taken from the sensors, like that cameras, or how he is doing, like these things can be done. This is an example has been given. For example, he get up at 6:30 on the Monday. He will go to bedroom, then he will go to bathroom. T plus 1 is the bathroom, so he is in the bathroom. So next one is bathroom. From bathroom he will go to kitchen. Okay, from kitchen he will go to garage. From garage to kitchen, then kitchen to bedroom, bedroom to living. Like that it is been given. What he will do is daily activity on Monday. Then from the Tuesday it is being. So this is an example for the derivation. Okay, so that is learned pattern. What are these means? Day equal to Monday. Already we have discussed these things. Day, time, location. Okay, time is for 6 to 7 he will be in the bedroom. Then location equal to bedroom. Like that the things will be done. Next topic we will discuss these things. So this is the topic we have discussed.